This is Jonathan with Gutter Guards Direct. Today we're at a home in Dublin, Ohio, outside of Columbus, where we are installing new 6-inch gutters and MasterShield gutter guards. Stay tuned and I'll show you what we're doing. Okay, what we are doing on this job is some storm-related damage work. Homeowner had hail that hit the house and they declared the roof totaled. So he got a new roof, but they declared the gutters, I think, partially damaged. However, he had a solid gutter cover on top of this house. Actually, I think it was the LeaFree system, a product that we sell. And that system pretty much protected the gutters from being banged up too badly. However, they had to take off the gutter guards in order to deal with the roof correctly, and he also realized that the 5-inch gutters he had on his house were not performing the way they should. So he made the executive decision to get rid of his gutters and the existing gutter guards, and we are installing the MasterShield gutter protection system here. So I will walk you around the house and show you what is what. It's all pretty straightforward, as you can see. Here we are at the back of the house. As I said out front, this is pretty straightforward. So it's just new 6-inch gutters and the MasterShield gutter protection system all the way around the house. Byron is working up on the corner now. We just hand seamed the miter up there for the gutter, and he's installed a couple sections of the gutter guard and then a little extension piece that kind of finishes off the corner of the MasterShield system. So we should be wrapping this job up here pretty shortly. By going to the 6-inch gutter, we also upgraded the downspouts to 4x3, which you would naturally do. And then in this market, in the Columbus market, they have 3-inch drains. So we have little adapters that go, take it from the 4-inch down to the 3-inch drain. You can see the gutter and then the gutter guard installed at an angle that is consistent with the roof line. Here we are in early September and the leaves are already starting to fall. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button to receive notifications of future videos. If you have any questions and comments about this job or any other jobs that we've worked on, feel free to leave your comments below and we'll get back to you.